What's going on, everybody? All right, so I'm at the house radio station, not the one in the shop. Anyway, I was looking at some of these 3D printing stuff. Well, isn't that weird how that screen flickers like that? Can't get it to do it now. So, I was looking at different stuff that could be made with a 3D printer. Is that, why does it flicker like that? It's like only some kind of refresh rate. I was looking up these 3D printers. Let me see if I can find what I was looking at. Let's see here. So this is the one I was looking at, the Ender 3. But what I don't understand about these is I don't know a lot about them. Is they say that they use filament that's biodegradable or made out of corn. I don't want corn. So I was looking at this one, it said pretty good reviews. I think it's on sale, I'm not 100% sure. But it looks like it uses a noisy power supply right here. And then, I'm not sure. I'm seeing an old school USB and an SD card slot. We don't really want to be dealing with that kind of USB, but whatever works, I guess. If you're going to go that route, you might as well do the printer route. Save the protected power supply. What the? How is that a power supply? Corporate certificate. No idea what the hell that means. So, I don't know what the hell how these things even work. I really don't. I mean, I kind of know how they work, but I don't even know nothing about it. So it'll come to you like in a kit like this, and you're gonna put it together. I guess those are the nozzles. The USB, Allen wrenches, another nozzle. Another nozzle as such. So I don't know if it comes with everything you need to get started or not. I don't think it does, but I could be wrong. Resume printing function. Ender 3 has the ability to resume printing even after a power outage or lapse occurs. Easy and quick assembly. Comes with several assembled parts that you only need about 2 hours to assemble. 20 nuts. Advanced extruder technology. Upgraded extruder greatly reduces plugging risk and bad extrusion. V-shaped with palm wheel makes it noiseless, smoothly, and durable. See. So this PLA stuff, they talk about it and they say it's made out of corn. It's biodegradable. I don't want biodegradable. I want rugged stuff. Date first available 2018. So anyway, this is the one that everybody seems to talk about. I've got a friend that has, I think, this one. I'm not 100% sure that this is the one he has, but certainly very similar. So let's see, what else did they have listed on here. DaVinci mini wireless 3D printer, fully open source. Just click on it, just take a look. So my friend says he's going to 3D print a Newtonian telescope. I thought, wow, that's crazy. So we started talking about that, and then I thought, maybe we should look into this, because there's a lot of stuff that I could 3D print to help with the portable stuff. They put some rails on this, put like some kind of holder to hold like a tuner, just different things that could be done. Honestly, don't know much about these. I saw, a 3D printer one time at Goodwill. I don't remember how much it was. It wasn't like a bad price. I just was looking at it and was like, don't know. So, yeah, if I could make enough money on the channel, I'll just go buy one, and then that would be pretty cool. Come up with some cool things for radio stuff. And 246 Ender 3 version 2. So I'm not, if that's an Ender 3, what's the difference? Is it just a different seller? No, it looks different. Let's see here. That one looks different. Full metal. Removable PC spring steel printing platform. Preview model the print process. So there's a screen there. That's cool. So I mean, I guess you can like pretty much 3D print anything nowadays. I wonder what that one is. That looks real similar to some of the other ones. I don't know. You want something that's not going to become obsolete. Okay, so that's the Ender 3V3. So this is even different. Dual fans. Well, what are the fans for? Yeah, see, there's so much stuff I don't know. Okay. Your connection is not secure. Okay, so there's, looks like fans around the print head, whatever you want to call it. Double fans for rapid cooling. Each side of the print head has a model cooling fan. They will cool the print model together rapidly. Okay. It's just nuts. I remember when I first heard about these, I thought, man, there's no way. 3D? I'm like, I was just kind of like thinking of like a dot matrix printer, I guess. But I see a lot of ham radio stuff, being printed people make the little rails that make the little plug for the back of the 817. And there's just all kinds of cool stuff. Now, honestly, like, I'm not the kind of guy that's going to be able to use this without using somebody else's program. Okay, Ender 3, version 3. So, so I wonder what the strongest stuff is for 3D printer. I wonder what, let's see, what is this? 3D printer resin. Printer resin, fast curing standard 3D resin for LCD, DLP, SLA 3D printers. So I'm gonna have to figure out what the hell that is, but I wonder if it just like hardens the stuff. Let's back out of here. I'll have to ask my friend what the hell it is. Okay, so let's just research this and okay. So this is, whatever if it says what version it is. So I think this is like an early version. So I'm guessing this is like the first one they came out with. And then the what is this one? So this is version 3. Okay. This is some other type. This is something else altogether. Well, where the hell did the one go? It looks like this has 2 fans on it also. Probably just one. Just a vent. Okay, so $219 for version 3. Now, I remember people, when these first came out, they were like buying specific like parts and like kind of building their own. So here's version 2. So this has got to be version 1. Huh. Okay. We'll have to do some research. So anyway, I'm thinking about that, and I don't know. I guess if you don't use it very much, it's not worth much.